Hi everyone, welcome to Vizl. Here at Vizl, I believe that great design starts with a vision. Over the years, I've had the pleasure of working with a variety of projects, from logo designs and brand identities to web design and marketing materials. My goal is to help businesses and individuals bring their creative designs to life through stunning visuals. Over the past 3 years, I've had an opportunity to work with a whole range of brands. Each project is a new adventure, and I can't wait to share insights and techniques I've learned along the way. So, what can you expect from the channel? Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, you're going to have something for everyone. Some of the things we'll be diving into are graphic design tips and tricks, step-by-step logo design tutorials, essential tools and software for designers, colour theory and typography basics, designing for social media, and many other things. If you're passionate about graphic design or just simply looking to learn some new skills, be sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell so you get notified. If you've got any topics you want me to cover, please drop me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and welcome to Vizl, where vision meets design. Let's create something amazing together. If you're passionate about graphic design or simply looking to learn If you're passionate about graphic design or just want to learn some new skills, be sure to hit the subscribe button,